The map is clear. It leads right this way. Are you sure we should be doing this?
Let's go, yay!
Just follow me. And here is the crocodile. They live in the river.
Don't worry, we can do it!
Oh, okay, I can do this.
What is that? I don't know, it's getting closer. Be careful. Squeak! Gasp! Keep flipping. Where is it?
Here it is. Stay calm.
No trouble.
Yes, stay calm and slowly raise your paws.
Be sneaky. Oh, I see.
Look out! Mud can hide animals.
Oh, no!
Don't worry, here's a safe way.
Oh, my! What's going on?
Help, I'm sinking. I'm sinking.
Bubbles mean something moved. Please be a fish. Please!
Help! Oh my, he looks ridiculous.
Look at my mud mustache. We can't go over it. We can't go over it. You've got this. Yay! Let's go! Look! Down there! Huh? What is it? Oh, no!
In ancient times, the legendary knowledge book held the secrets of the universe.
Lunge FAST.
I know! Watch me! We did it! Hooray!
Nice work, team. Vines can hide danger.
Oh, I didn't see that. I don't like this.
Okay, that's spooky.
Swing across, stay above. Woohoo, go, go! Yes, you got it! Yay!
We can't go over it.
Oh!
Yes, we can. Under is risky.
Hey, what's down here? Yup! Na 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 na. Eep! Woohoo! I hope this works. We made it!
Eep, too slow, Mr. Croc.
All right. We did it! We did it! Wait for me! Yeah! Squeak! Squeak!
Mình nên làm gì đấy?
Nằm ngửa ra. Từ từ thôi. Gas! Squeak! Come on! Xong rồi. Phew!
Don't struggle. Move slowly and steadily. Spread your arms out. That's it. You've got it.
It's sand swimming?
We can't go over it! Ooh! We can't go over it!
Under is worse.
No air. We can't go under it. We can't go under it. Nope. Balance, balance. We're doing it. Almost across. Stay centered. Faster.
Look how I balance.
Careful now.
We're almost there.
Look out. What is that? We did it! We made it!
Great job, everyone.
Hooray! Rapids are powerful! Woohoo! Not just water.
Crocodiles are strong swimmers.
We can't go over it.
I don't want to go over.
Under is dangerous.
We're untied. Jump aboard quickly. Whoa, that was close. Hang on, everyone. Left, left, hard to the left. Roger, roger that. Whee! We made it.
Yes! Straight line. No zigzag. Faster. Ah! No! Paddles up. Faster.
Scream.
Oh, thank goodness. We made it.
Hooray! Oh, well, here we go.
Caves are cool and risky.
Oh, no.
I don't like echoes. Stay close together.
We can't go over it. We can't go over it.
Look out! Down there! No! Absolutely not! Wait, what's happening? Move slowly. Oops! We made it!
Yes, yes.
Finally.
Crocodile, run!
Don't let go of the book!
Hurry! Keep running! Keep going! Faster! Hurry! We made it!
Look behind us.
Paddle, paddle, paddle! Faster! Slow! We're sinking! Slow! Stop! Slow! Stop! Squeak! Faster! Yep! Squeak! Jump up! Go! Squeak! Watch out! Almost there! Squeak! Oh no! Quick! Squeak! Jump! Keep going! Quick! We have to hurry! Watch out! It's behind us! Just a bit further. Next vine, now! Grab on! We're clear! Thank you! Thank you! Yes, thank you! Whoa! Whoosh! Whoosh! Yes! Gotcha! Thanks! I think we're safe now. We made it!
Never, ever.
Exhausted laughter.
We did it!
We did it together!
Good job, friends.
Look what I found! It's glowing! And the book shows our next adventure. Yay! A new adventure!